In this video, I want to explain how can you get rid of headache naturally. How can you get rid of headache naturally? So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. First of all, headache is a common condition which affects many people. And there are different causes of headache. Some causes of headache can be more serious than the other. For example, dehydration can cause headache. Alcohol intake can also cause headache. But also we have other diseases which can lead to headache, which are more serious. So like this, in this video I'm going to explain how can you get rid of headache naturally. The first way is make sure that you drink a lot of water. I know this is the way which many people use. When you have headache, you drink a lot of water. So make sure that you drink a lot of water. When your body is dehydrated, might be a risk factor of getting headache. So make sure that you drink a lot of water. So drink a lot of water, at least 1.5 liters a day or 3 liters a day. But don't stay a day without drinking water. So when you have headache, the first thing, drink a lot of water. If you don't drink water, make sure that you drink water. So that is the first way. Another way of getting rid of headache is limit the amount of alcohol. Some people, they drink a lot of alcohol and they drink strong alcohol. So researches they have done and they have shown that alcohol intake has been linked with cluster headache and tensional headache. So since there are many types of headache, we have hypertensive headache, we have cluster headache, we have migraine headache. So alcohol is linked with cluster headache and tensional headache. So make sure to limit amount of alcohol. If you are drinking alcohol and you see you have headache, try to limit the amount of taking alcohol. Okay, another way of getting rid of headache is by getting enough sleep. It is advised that you should sleep for at least 8 hours. But people, they sleep for 2 hours, 1 hour. So when you wake up, you might get headache. So make sure that you sleep at least 8 hours. But some people, they are busy doing jobs, they delay in coming home, so they limit the amount of sleeping. But make sure that you try at least you sleep 8 hours a day. But if you see that your sleeping schedule is you sleep for 3 hours or 2 hours per day, make sure that you increase until the normal limit of sleeping to everybody. That will also help. Also, another way of getting rid of headache is by taking ginger. Ginger roots, it have been linked with ginger roots. It contains antioxidants, also has anti-inflammatory properties. So it is very useful if you have headache. So if you have headache, you can take the ginger roots and are very beneficial. So if you use these ways and you see there's no any improvement, make sure that you go to a doctor, because there are so many diseases which they can cause headache. So you need to go to the hospital for more medical checkup so that you can get treatment. But also there are other people who they just use medications. For if you have headache, you just go to the pharmacy, you buy paracetamol or ibuprofen, you take, and your headache will become really good. But if you take this medication but still your headache becomes chronic, therefore you can also see a doctor for more medical checkup. So let me know if you've already used these remedies and they have already helped you. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.